It's wrong.
You want some Melody too?
Yeah, I was going to call you a minute. Hang on a minute. Yeah, hang on. Let me walk outside. I got something I need to give you.
Michaela, put your stuff in your room, baby, so it doesn't get stuck.
I can't.
Chris, stop. Michaela.
Can you hang that up for me here?
Yeah, Chris will get me his,
Come on.
hammer.
Come on. Oh, I know what it is. It's a snow globe. I got one of those in the packages.
Are you having a good day?
You're on everything.
So really, you want to tell me what my gift is before I open
I
it?
don't know the gift. I'm just saying.
She's just happy about her Kindle Fire.
Now think of all the books you can read on that.
Here, Mel.
It's beautiful.
Ooh.
Oh, wow. I was telling you, listen, you're a butthead here. You know that, right?
Michaela,
She is.
she didn't know what it was.
I was just saying that I got one in the packages. I got it open. Grandma, you can start a new collection.
Where's mine? Oh, how pretty.
That's very pretty.
You gotta connect to your Wi-Fi. Which one is it? I don't know. Let me see. Kayla, which one is yours Wi-Fi? Hummingbirds?
Huh?
Hummingbirds?
Mm-hmm.
What does the inscription say?
We don't have Wi-Fi right now. We have to get it hooked up.
Licking.
Joy. Because I have a sister, I will always have a friend.